Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a trip to India, but not your typical scorching summer vacation. We're diving headfirst into the magic of the monsoon season. Monsoon rains transform India into a wonderland of lush greenery, cascading waterfalls, and cooler weather. It's the perfect time to explore some incredible destinations, often with fewer crowds. So grab your raincoat and umbrella because we're counting down the top 10 places to visit in India during the monsoon. Our first recommendation is Munnar, Kerala. Have you ever dreamed of rolling hills blanketed in emerald green tea estates? Monsoon season makes Munnar a dream come true. Imagine misty mornings, waterfalls gushing down mountainsides, and a calmness that washes over you. The nearest railway station is Ernakulam Junction, about 128 km away, and the nearest airport is Kochi International Airport at 110 km. Next is Coorg. Karnataka, nicknamed the Scotland of India, Coorg is a haven for nature lovers. During the monsoon, the landscape comes alive with vibrant greens, misty hills, and cascading waterfalls. The nearest railway station is Thalassery, which is 89 kilometers away, and the nearest airport is Mangalore International Airport at 158 kilometers. Next is Shillong, Meghalaya, through lush valleys, mysterious caves to explore, and a mesmerizing wetness in the air that's Shillong during the monsoon. Wayanad, Kerala is a paradise for nature enthusiasts. The monsoon season brings the spice plantations and trekking trails to life, making it an unforgettable adventure. Often called the Princess of Hills, Kodaikanal boasts a breathtaking view during the monsoon. Imagine lush green slopes, serene boat rides on the lake, and a break from the scorching summer heat. Monsoon season might not be peak season in Udaipur, but it offers a unique experience. The majestic palaces, serene lakes, and pleasant escape from the summer heat make it a hidden gem. Nestled in the Sahyadri ranges, Mahabaleshwar transforms into a wonderland of cascading waterfalls, serene lakes, and a captivating monsoon charm. Monsoon season in Goa. Yes, please. While the beaches might not be ideal for swimming, the state unveils a hidden beauty with cascading waterfalls, lush greenery, and fewer crowds. Darjeeling's majestic Himalayas come alive during the monsoon. Picture rolling tea gardens, misty mornings, and a ride on the iconic Darjeeling toy train, pure magic. So there you have it, folks. Our top 10 places to visit in India during the monsoon season. Remember, this is just a glimpse of the magic that awaits you. Do you have a favorite monsoon destination in India? Let us know in the comments below. Hit that like button and subscribe for more travel adventures. And until next time, safe travels wherever you roam. Bye.